Did you know that Amazon has saved over $3 billion by integrating AI into their business operations? This is just one of many examples. Everyday businesses are optimizing their processes, automating workflows, and reducing costs by integrating AI features such as automated data extraction, automated report generation, AI agents, and so much more. Whether you're a startup founder who has a brilliant idea and you want to build an AI-powered solution, or you are a developer who just wants to integrate AI features like computer vision, natural language processing, and so much more. Or maybe you are just a professional who doesn't want to get so much into the technical jargons and you want to just use no-code AI tools to power your daily workflow. I'm Samuel Literate Theophilus, an AI engineer with over 5 years experience in data science, machine learning, data engineering, and software development. I've worked on a wide range of projects, which include development of AI agents, data extractors, computer vision projects, and much more. I've worked with clients all over the world, from the US to the UK, and much more. I'm willing to help you discover how you can integrate AI into your business processes and automate your workflows. To get started, schedule a free 30-minute session with me by clicking the link below.